EVA, your personal emergency response system. I am going to assist you with the install process. Please make sure your monitoring information is set up. If there is a problem at any stage of the install process, you can press the cancel button to hear how to turn me off until you are ready to start again. When you are ready to start, please press the help button. Please wait while I connect to the cellular network. Please wait while I connect to the cellular network. The cellular signal is good. Connection successful. Let's test the range of your pendant. Your pendant will flash red each time the range test is successful. It is necessary to perform at least 6 tests from ankle height around your home and garden. Press your pendant to start testing. 1. It is necessary. 2. It is necessary to perform at least 6 tests from ankle height around your home and garden. 3. It is 4. It is necessary to perform at least 6 tests from ankle height around your home and garden. 5. It is necessary to perform at least 6 tests from ankle. 6. When you have completed testing the range of your pendant, please press the help button. Now, let's perform a full system test by sending an activation. When you press your pendant button, a loud pre-alarm will sound. Your alarm is being sent. Your alarm has been sent. You will be contacted soon. Your alarm has been sent.
Good afternoon, you're through to the response centre. My name is Alan, how can I help?
Oh, hi there. We're just setting an EVA up. Can you hear me loud and clear?
That's fine, yes, that's come from the pendant on the EVA device, and the audio quality is very good.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I will reset this alarm. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Your personal emergency response system